Hey, what's up YouTube? Today we're going to be working back on this Honda Civic. Going to be taking apart the oil pan. I got the car jacked up. Oh, I guess my dog's chilling down here too now. So, I'm going to take all these bolts out. Take all, I think there's like 15 of them or some shit. But don't forget the ones in the back too. I don't have this shield on. There's going to be a shield right here. So I haven't put it on yet, but yeah, start taking it apart. We're gonna take the oil pan out because I want to check the oil pump sump, I think it's called, the oil pickup tube. I believe it's clogged up. I'm praying that's what it is, and then it'll be easy fix. So I'm gonna take off the oil pan. We'll go straight to that. Wow, completely forgot. Yeah, first you're gonna want to drain the oil. Then you want to take the oil pan off. I'm hoping that I can slide it through, hoping I have enough clearance. If I don't, I'm going to have to take off also the exhaust, which means I'm going to have to move the AC compressor. Oh yeah, also unhook your oil return line. Alright, got all the oil drained out. Letting it drain from also right here. Got it all disconnected. I'm hoping I don't have to take the exhaust off, but if I do, well, I'm gonna have to probably take this off, the compressor and all that crap, because I gotta slide it off and then I can pull it down. But yeah, I'll get right back to that. Also, my oil is very watery. This is all the oil that's in my oil pan, so this is a big ass tub. I gotta pour this all inside the old oil pan, or the old oil jug. I got like 2 of them. That way I can go take it to AutoZone or wherever to dispose it. Hey YouTube, here's Tim and Logan. They just stopped by. We're gonna go riding later on the bikes. But also we figured out why it was the oil light was coming on. So I took the headers down because I couldn't drop the oil pan because they didn't put the flex pipe on. So I had to drop the header down. Took the oil pan off by pulling it down. Alright, so get ready. Here's what caused the problem. Right there. Let me see, get it. There we go. Can you see that? Right there? That's a piece of sandpaper. That's what clogged up my damn fucking tube. Look at that. Oh my god. I'm gonna get that out. I'm gonna take this whole thing out. Oh, here we go, here we go. Holy, look at that piece of the sandpaper when I sanded the block. I think we found a problem, boys. She's gonna be up and running then today. Alright, stay tuned. Alright YouTube, look at that. That is all the paper that was inside my damn pickup tube. All that was inside there. I got everything out now. I used a paper clip and scraped all that stuff off of there. They were stuck on the screen, so I carefully ripped it out of there and got them out in big chunks. But that is insane. So I guarantee you I found the problem why I was starting for oil. I clogged that shit. Alright guys, I'm gonna start putting it back together now. I gotta go buy some more oil later and we can start it up. Alright guys, I got the header and everything hooked back up. I just gotta connect my lines. Say hi to the camera. Alright, everything's hooked up. Tightened it all back down. I'm not putting that oil back in, that's getting recycled. So I just gotta go buy some new fresh oil and then, yeah, that's it. Alright, stay tuned guys. Alright guys, I got the oil back in. It's now gonna be running for at least until the car warms up, and that's usually when the light came on. So I'm gonna let the car warm up real fast. I'll show you the temperature right now. So far everything's good. I got the AC running. Oil light yet, but it's not warmed up. Yeah. Have to put some silicone in that door. I'm excited now. It sounds a lot better too. It doesn't sound like it's stuttering. This whole time it was clogged up. Pretty excited now, guys. I can keep going forward now. I was really praying that I didn't have to take off the oil pump. Didn't want to deal with all that. But we'll see in about, I want to say, a half hour. Alright, stay tuned. Alright, you guys, that ended up fixing it. So now I can continue on to the build, putting the injectors and finishing the tune and all that. And then later on I want to do pistons and rods and all that stuff. But that's going to be later because I want to put the B18 in this stuff. So yeah, I'm glad it's working now. Thanks for watching.